Hello children, good morning everyone. How are you today? Good. Today we're going to learn from the Phonics Smart Reader Book 4. So the letter today is A and I. A and A. They make the sound A. 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 Are you ready to practice? My turn and your turn. A. Yes. A. Correct. Well done. Okay, let's try a few words. It is male. A-U. Male. A-U. Male. Now your turn. Excellent. A-O. Male. Now your turn. Well done. Let's try this word. Nail. N-A-O. Nail. Now your turn. Good job. Let's go to the next word. Rain. R-A-N. Rain. Now your turn. Excellent.